Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract money effortlessly, while others are stuck in an endless cycle of bills and debt? Is it luck, intelligence, or do they know something you don't? The answer could change your financial life completely. So, pay attention, because today, you're going to discover one of the best-kept secrets of the rich, and understand why no one has ever told you this before. Most people grow up hearing the same story. Study hard, get a job, work hard, save a little, and maybe one day you can retire with dignity. Sounds like a safe plan, right? But what if I told you that this script was designed to keep you exactly where you are? Think about it. How many people do you know who followed this path and ended up financially secure? The reality is that most are struggling to make ends meet, living paycheck to paycheck. The rich don't follow this path. They play a completely different game, with rules that most people can't even imagine. And the scariest part, they don't want you to find out. Now, pay attention to this truth. The rich don't work for money. They make money work for them. While most people spend their entire lives trading time for money, millionaires build systems that generate income even while they sleep. And this has a name: passive income. But before you think, oh, but that's only for people who were born rich, hold on. Because I'm going to show you exactly how this works and how you can start today. Imagine waking up in the morning and seeing money coming into your account without needing to trade your time for it. Sounds impossible. Well, that's exactly how millionaires live. They invest in assets that generate money automatically. This could be real estate, stocks, digital businesses, or even artificial intelligence. While most people work for money, they make money work for them. But now comes the big question. Why doesn't anyone teach this in school? The answer is simple. The education system was designed to create workers, not millionaires. Since childhood, we are taught to follow rules, obey orders, and never question anything. Now, think about it. If everyone knew how to build wealth, who would accept working for low wages? That's exactly why this knowledge was never taught to you. But now that you know this, the question is, what are you going to do about it? The first step is to change your mindset. Stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like an investor. Instead of trading time for money, start creating income sources that work for you. The game changes completely when you understand this. To help you take this first step, I left a link in the description with a free training that teaches you how to build your first passive income source. But hurry, because I don't know how long it will be available. Now, I want to hear from you. Tell me in the comments, have you ever thought about this before? What do you think about this secret? If this content made sense to you, you already know what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because here, I show you what no one else wants you to know. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Let's take it together.